The world is accelerating, and so are the threats we face. Escalating geopolitical tension has revealed a critical defense capability gap, a challenge defined by Mach 5 and beyond, the speed of hypersonics.
The threat is very real. Time is of the essence. If the great power competition states are developing this type of capability, we need to have defensive capability to protect the U.S. and our assets overseas. Golden Dome at its essence is a missile defense technology. It is to protect the U.S. homeland from threats. You don't want the first time you try that out to be live fire when everything is on the line.
For decades, America's approach to testing these critical capabilities was plagued by high costs and slow cadence. The status quo was simply too slow for the scale of the threat.
Historically, the programs have been many years in development, so think thousands and thousands of engineering hours over a 2-year refurbishment cycle for these old peacekeeper missiles, a new launch campaign, and a new payload development, plus all the downrange assets, hundreds of millions of dollars, and you get one launch.
The mandate was clear: lower the cost barrier and dramatically increase the launch tempo. To answer this challenge, Rocket Lab engineered the Hypersonic Accelerator Suborbital Test Electron, also known as HASTE.
HASTE is a converted electron into a suborbital platform for testing research payloads at hypersonic velocities. The heritage systems have all been solid-fueled bottle rockets. You light them and they go. Here, we can throttle, we can gimbal, we can get into the Mach 20s with this platform, and all the way down to Mach 7.
Based on the flight-proven, liquid-fueled Electron, HASTE is fundamentally different. It gives testers unprecedented control over flight profiles and environments.
We can also do very interesting things like offload propellant, vary the exit velocity so we can go faster or slower. We can target downrange positions for payload release.
This unique platform immediately shattered the industry paradigm, moving testing from a single launch per year to the speed of commercial production.
The predominant bottleneck is launch availability. We've shown that you're going from one launch a year, hundreds of millions of dollars, to multiple launches a week. We did 2 HASTE launches in basically a week and a half. That could have been years between testing, but instead it was back-to-back.
Leveraging the flight heritage of Electron, HASTE offers a reliability and repeatability unmatched by any system in the world.
Electron has launched over 70 times now. It's very well understood. It's very high performing. A commercial speed and scale and price point. I don't think anything's ever existed like it.
Hypersonic defense systems cannot be left to chance. The ultimate goal of HASTE is to provide the data needed to secure the reliability of the nation's protective shield.
Space-based interceptors is a completely unproven technology, but it's critical to the Golden Dome architecture. So the ability to test these defensive systems is crucial. It has to be affordable and it has to be high cadence. So that's what HASTE provides. We can go fast, we can go affordably, the full soup to nuts capability. So that's production, that's logistics, it's a well-seasoned launch team, it's launch infrastructure like a launch range, but you got to be able to put it all together. You can't name another flight test platform that is launching as repeatably, as reliably, or affordably as HASTE is, and that's what's really changing the game in terms of getting more data sooner. Me and many other people working the HASTE program are very proud to be working on something that leads to deterrence and in a bad day will protect the lives of American citizens.